I think it's about time. Pull that gear 5. I need it. I'm feeling good. Just hope it's not a pair of glasses. I want the mochi one. Alright. Pull that gear 5. I hate opening these. Well, there's some type of card in here. Bro, please. EGG. Butthole, Frankie. That's what Mayo the barrier, dude. Bro, fuck Big Mom. Oh! Yo! That is sick. I wanted this card. Yo! This card is so sick. Alright, that last pack was some fire. But let's get Gear 5 Luffy in this one. Oh, there's not shit. The only thing I don't like about opening these packs is, like, you can kind of see what you get. Guardian. Judge. Oh my god. I got tiny-ass hands. Caribou. Yonji. Usopp. Shirahoshi. Arlong. Shirley.